Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Friday. Beautiful day. We're out here in Roswell, Georgia. I went out this morning to Cumming, but more on the Alpharetta side. Did a consultation, in-home consultation that went very well, screen and recoat. So we're here now at our first of two projects today, and I also have another consultation after this. So when we get the coating down here, I have a consultation in Buckhead, which is only about 32 minutes. So show you guys what we're going to be doing here. It's a small project, it's close to 600 square feet. Screen recoat, UV cure, floors are pretty worn, red oak. We're also going to be doing the granite countertops as well. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going today. All right, guys, so we're in Roswell, Georgia. My new client, I came out and did an in-home consultation about a few weeks ago. They booked on the spot, putting their house on the market, and just want to get the floors spruced up to look better. And what we're going to be doing is this foyer area. And then I have another small project this morning in South Fulton between 4 and 5. She actually had someone try to do her floors, and she said, Courtney, they did not do a great job and I don't want them back, so we're going to go take care of it. So these are the floors that we're going to be doing today, guys. All right. Also going to be doing these countertops here. My client's moving everything off here. All right. Right here in this kitchen area, and then also this dining room right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and start screening this floor down. I got some great feedback from my client that I did yesterday. Texted me this morning, said, Courtney, thank you so much. Floors look great. Also, the Christian put the furniture back. Everything went well. And said she would definitely recommend me for the wood floor services. All right, guys, go ahead and get started on this job, get a good screening, and make this floor look better. Stay tuned.
Roswell, Georgia. You slid in early on them tired old red oak floors. Worn down, played out. Now watch this. One day magic, baby. Hey, hey, hey. Back in the day, brought the soul right back. Old red oak flow, now it glow like that. Screen and recoat, put the light right back. UV hit, now it shine like that. Back in the day, yeah, we did that fast. Color came alive, now the rich tones last. 2 coats deep, premium lace, so clean. Roswell flow, looking fresh, brand new sheen. Pulled up on the floor that was tired and thin. Years of wear and tear, outdoor, no wind. Red oak look rough, had scars all around, but I knew off top we could turn it around. Aggressive screen, let the machine talk tough. Cut through the wear, yeah, the past was rough. Then the color correction came right on through. Brought that wood back warm like a soul ready to do. We do not play when the craft online. Every move precise, every detail fine. 2 coats, premium lace, smooth, no rush. Then the UV pass gave it that heart and hush. Ooh, look at that floor now. Light hit different when it glow now. Old wood singing like a slow jam. Same day finish, that's the program. Back in the day, brought the soul right back. Old red oak flow, now it glow like that. Screen and recoat, put the life right back. UV heat, now it shine like that. Back in the day, yeah, we did that fast. Color came alive, now the rich tones last. 2 coats deep, premium lace, so clean. Roswell flow, looking fresh, brand new sheen. Used to be faded, dry and low. Now that grain got a velvet glow. Every bowl got a second chance. Brought it back with a craftsman's hand. Smooth like vinyl, warm like June. Hit that finish and it changed the room. From super warm to a high class vibe. That old red oak came back alive. Hey now, one day, no long wait, no dodge. Hey now, stand back, watch that soul come back. Muichiro kagayaku, kirei na yuka, subarashi, Roswell no hikari. Back in the day, brought the soul right back. Old red oak flow, now it glow like that. Screen and recoat.
Come on in, guys. Oh, that's your neighbor? I like your little brother. Y'all what look alike. For real. Check it out. So I'm doing the UV cure now. Yes, sir. Now, like I say, it's not up. Now, we didn't fully sand the floor. Fully sand would make it look brand new, but it costs more and it takes longer. But for you saw the condition of this floor before? Yeah. Yes.
Well, it has cured in here.
What you think?
That's awesome. They buffed your countertops.
Did the countertops? Oh, I also talked to my stone guy to fix this. He said he's looking about $1,500.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It's a lot because he had to tear it out. It's something that he showed me a video. I'll show you the video of how he do it. But yeah, because that way you won't have to replace the whole thing.
I may just go get some epoxy.
Epoxy, okay, yep. The next people, yep.
Themselves.
Yeah, but what you think about the floors?
It looks so good.
Thank you. Left you a free bottle of my cleaner so you guys can keep the floors clean until you move out.
Yeah, that's my middle name right there.
It is? All right, guys. My client just got back. He actually brought over the neighbor. And again, he's putting his house on the market. And you guys saw these floors before. We actually had to end up doing another coat. We did the seal coat, and we actually did 2 coats of finish because the floor was just so worn and so beat up. And again, it's not a perfect floor, but a lot of people, they like the one-day recoat system because first, it only takes a day. 2, it's not as cost effective as a full sanding. So a full sanding would have definitely made this floor look 100%, but this, guys, I'm going to say this is definitely 70, 75, 80% from my approval. All right, and that's what I guarantee. I always tell clients you can expect a 50 to an 80% improvement. Like right here, if you look really close, this is a lot of UV damage, but the color correction seal coat did make that look better. Guys, this right here is this is definitely about 90% right here where it was really worn. Coming through here, and then also up front in the foyer also has a lot of UV damage from the sun, but it looks so much better. Got a few deep scratches here and there that will only come out with a full sand. But again, a lot of people, when they're putting their homes on the market, or even sometimes when people are moving in, they don't have the time to sand. That's what sometimes my clients tell me. Courtney, we want to sand the floors, but we don't have the time to sand. So we would just rather do this. So anyway, guys, we had another job after this, but because of the time and putting the extra coat down, I rescheduled her for Monday morning because she was in South Fulton, and that's like an hour, 15-minute drive. We probably got home at about 10:30. So she understood, and we're going to take care of her Monday morning, and then I have a small job in Beaufort Monday afternoon, and we are fully booked out next week, except the weekend. We're working tomorrow. We got 2 projects tomorrow, one in Athens for a daycare and one in Midtown, which was a referral from a job we did about 3 weeks ago. They refer us to another move-in into the condo. And yeah, so just busy, guys. So anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.